Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to compare two of the best air fryers out there, the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart air fryer and the Emeril Lagasse air fryer. Before we dive into the comparison, make sure to hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe to our channel to get more awesome reviews like this one. If you're looking for an air fryer with a large capacity that can easily cater to a family of 4, then the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart air fryer might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you need a machine that can feed a large family, the Emeril Lagasse air fryer is your go-to. With its 26-quart capacity, it can fit a whole rotisserie chicken and a 12 inches pizza. The Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart air fryer offers 4 one-touch cooking presets for French fries, fried chicken, meat, and fish. Meanwhile, the Emeril Lagasse air fryer takes it up a notch with 24 custom presets that can cater to a variety of foods from steak to cake. Both air fryers use rapid air technology to achieve perfectly crunchy results on every ingredient with little to no oil. The Emeril Lagasse air fryer, however, has an extra hot 500 degrees Fahrenheit convection crisp technology that generates 360 degrees airflow at higher temperatures, up to 30% faster versus traditional ovens, making it more efficient than the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart air fryer. The Emeril Lagasse air fryer comes with every accessory and tool you need for delicious family meals, including a crisper tray basket, air fryer rack, baking pan, grill plate with handle, rotisserie spit set, rotisserie fetch tool, drip tray, and an easy-to-follow recipe guide. In comparison, the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart air fryer doesn't come with as many accessories. The Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart air fryer is priced at $129, while the Emeril Lagasse air fryer comes in at a higher price point. However, considering its larger capacity, superior cooking technology, and multitude of accessories, the Emeril Lagasse air fryer might be worth the investment if you're feeding a large family. And that's a wrap on our comparison between the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart air fryer and the Emeril Lagasse air fryer. Both have their pros and cons, but we hope that this review has given you a better idea of which one suits your needs the best. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this one. See you next time.